everyone, I'm at the nuCamp factory here in Sugar Creek, Ohio. I'm currently standing outside in their lot with all of their finished campers, and I have to say this is pretty cool. Today I wanted to take you through some of the new 2019 models. As you may have noticed with most of my tours, I don't go into a lot of the details about the specifications of the campers because honestly, I don't want to listen to myself talk for 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do is give you a general feature overview along with the floor plans and the different options you have. That way you can find out what the best camper for you is. So without further ado, let's go inside and check out the new 2019 TAB. Hey everyone, we're inside the nuCamp production area looking at a brand new fully loaded 2019 TAB. This model is a 320S Boondock Edge edition, which is pretty much the top of the line. Let's take a look on the inside first. Come on. Welcome to the TAB. While not a lot has changed on the inside of the 2019 model of the TAB, there are still 4 different floor plans that I want to walk you guys through. With the kitchen on the inside, you've got either the S or the U. The S has a bathroom and the U does not. On the outside, you're looking at the clamshell, which is the CS. The CS does not have a bathroom, while the CSS does have a bathroom. The model I'm standing in right now has the indoor kitchen and the bathroom. Now, if you decide to get the outdoor kitchen, this area is going to be dedicated to storage. It's going to have drawers and cabinets here instead of a kitchen. But I love cooking, so let's talk about the kitchen. The main features your kitchen's going to come with is going to be a 2-burner stove that runs off of your propane, a 3-way fridge. This means it's going to run off your 12-volt battery, your 110 shore power, or propane. You've got a sink with an 11-gallon freshwater tank, a cutting board that covers it in case you need extra counter space, and you've also got several great pantry options of cabinets. And if you move down the hall past the kitchen, you will find the wet bath. In the wet bath, you're going to have a toilet, a shower, a mirror, and as an option, you can get a window put in. Moving on to the living space, we have a surprising amount of storage for such a tiny space. You're going to have storage underneath 2 of your bench seats. You've got 3 pretty awesome cabinets back here, as well as storage down beneath the cabinets. And in the Boondock edition, you've got the netting above the windows for extra storage as well. Now, every unit is also going to come with an air conditioner and a TV, although the configuration may change depending on whether you get a model with a bathroom or not. There's also a pretty awesome Lagoon Table. The table is going to be adjustable in height and in positioning, so you can put it exactly where you want it. To go along with the TV, we've got an entertainment system that will play your DVDs and also connect to your Bluetooth devices in case you want to listen to some music. And finally, everybody's favorite thing to do, sleep. And luckily, this area turns into one big bed. And it's super easy. Check it out. One of my favorite little details is the window shades. It doesn't seem like a big deal, but it's huge. Not only do all the windows open, but they also come with a bug screen to keep bugs out and a darker shade to keep the sun out. And on a nice day, you can open all the windows, close all your screens, and turn on your awesome vent fan. This is the controller for your Aldi system, which controls your heat and hot water. Here, you can set your temperature, your hot water level, and whether your heat's running off electric or propane. Now that we've taken a look on the inside, most of the new changes are actually on the outside of the camper. When we're talking about the TAB 320, we've got 3 options. We've got the standard version, we've got the Boondock Light, and the Boondock Edge. Let's start with the standard to see what that comes with. Standard on every TAB 320, you're going to get your 14-inch tires. You're going to have the option for a Lagoon Table attachment on the outside. You'll have an optional access to your storage under your seats. Standard, you will get 2 110 outlets. These are handles that are meant to actually push and pull your trailer around because It's that easy. Around this other side, we're gonna have an optional outdoor shower with hot and cold handles. We've also got our 30 amp plug here. And of course we need water. So we've got a spot to fill our fresh water tank as well as a city hookup. And on the front, we've got our stylish, color coordinating liquid propane and battery tank. In each of the four corners, there's going to be stabilizing feet that you can crank down, and it comes with a spare tire that's going to mount up underneath the camper. While the standard version is super awesome on its own, what if you want to go a little bit off-road? You might want to consider the Boondock Light or the Boondock Edge. Now the Boondock Light is going to come with the most important feature of all. It comes with larger 15-inch off-road tires and a pitched axle, along with a full-size spare. And finally, on the front, it's going to come with this nice diamond-plated LP cover, along with a really sturdy platform to keep all your camping supplies on. This front part is perfect for a 2,000-watt generator. Last but not least, we've got the Boondock Edge. This is going to give you everything we've seen so far, plus a few extra bells and whistles. On the inside, you're going to have an all-weather marmoleum flooring, along with some cargo nets on the inside of the front door. And on the outside, you're going to get an extra 52-inch light bar mounted to the roof, and on the back, you've got 2 extra accent lights as well. You'll also get a Yakima rack mounted to the roof for the option for additional storage. And finally, you have optional solar panels that you can get put on. And finally, it comes with a 5-piece accent kit, which makes it look pretty rugged and cool. Hopefully this video helped you understand the floor plans and options a little bit better so that you can find the perfect tab for you. Love and light.